Hey everybody, Carl here from Abt, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install the pedestal that comes with the Q70C series, Samsung's new 2023 QLED TV. And it's a pretty straightforward process. There's a few parts involved, but stick around, we'll show you how to do it. Now these instructions that I'm going to give apply to the 70-inch and smaller models as far as how you position the TV. So we've got it started off laying on its front. You kind of want to keep that foam packing material underneath the screen so that the screen doesn't get damaged. But all you're going to need are the two pedestal legs and then this plate that covers the bottom, a Phillips head screwdriver, which is not provided in the bag, and then one of the pedestal legs on ours, it's the left leg, has the packets of screws, or a packet of screws attached to it, so make sure you take that one off because you will need those four to go into these holes here. So just remove that, and then here we've got an L on this leg, and we've got an R on this one, and those correspond with the letters on the back of the TV here. So you've got an R over here, so as you're looking at the back, it's the right side, and the left side as you're looking at the back. So we'll start with the left leg, and all you're gonna do is line up this little notch here with this little cutout up here, and you just slide that in and set it down. It will not go in. If you use the wrong leg, it will not go in. It'll look like this. It just doesn't line up. So there's no way to really put these in incorrectly unless you really, really try, but chances of that happening are very slim. So we've got that in, and then we're just gonna take two of our screws and put those down into here. You can put the right leg in and just have these both set up and ready to go. Then we open up our pack of screws. And start putting those through. Now that you have the pedestal legs all tightened down, we're just gonna move the cover piece, and then you're gonna have somebody come and help you lift the TV. If it's a small one, you might not need the help. This is a 65-inch, so my friend Prince here is gonna help me out. So now we're gonna take our cover piece, and if you look on the bottom of that, there's two tracks right here, and those are gonna line up with the feet on the pedestal, and you're just going to line those up, and then you're gonna slide it forward, or backward, I guess, until it's in place, and that's all there is to it. So as you could hopefully see, it's a pretty easy process. Just make sure left goes to left, right goes to right, otherwise it's simple to do. Thanks as always for watching, and stay tuned for more videos on the Q70C series from Samsung.